To delete an Instagram account, you can 1. Go to your account in the Instagram app. 2. Tap the menu icon in the top right corner of your profile and tap Settings. 3. Tap Account Center, greater than Personal Details. 4. Tap Account Ownership and Control, greater than Deactivation or Deletion. 5. Select the account you want to delete. And 6. Tap Delete Account, greater than Continue. You can also delete your Instagram account from a computer by 1. Going to https://instagram.com/accounts/remove/request/permanent/ in a mobile or desktop browser. 2. Logging into your account. And 3. Selecting a reason, re-entering your password, and clicking or tapping Delete Username. It may take up to 90 days to complete the deletion process. Copies of your content may remain after the 90 days in backup storage. If you change your mind, you can log back into your Instagram account within 30 days to cancel deletion.